Okay, we got the carburetor kit today. I just did a slight inventory just to see what I had and match everything up. There was a couple things I thought I should have got that I didn't get, but have to deal with it. So right now I'm just taking carburetor cleaner and cleaning out any residual junk that could be in our carburetor. Yeah, that O-ring ain't gonna work. Gotta put the old one back on it. Well, no big deal. This kit fucking sucks. O-rings are all too big. So that is not going in there, it's just freaking cutting it. I know it is. Junk. I know that's fucking cutting that. I'll take that off and put the old one back on it. Half, one full turn, half, 2 full turns, 2.5 turns. And that thing don't want to thread in there. That goes right in just like it's supposed to. There ain't no fucking way I'm putting that junk in that. It's at this point in editing that I realized that putting this carburetor together is pretty damn boring. So I'm just gonna zip on through to the end of it, and I realized that the kit that I bought wasn't worth the money I paid for it, and I ended up just putting all the original stuff back in it. So let's continue on. Okay, the carburetor's together. Now I'm going to work on this fuel tank because I have a sneaky suspicion it might be part of the problem. $63 minutes, damn. All right, well that's 8mm, but I'm not real fond of plastic
grommets or inserts coming loose. Well, that one did. Okay. Let's see if this one will come loose. Yep. Okay. I'm only putting this on right now temporary to see if it'll fire and run, or see what it does anyways. 8mm. Let's find us an 8mm socket. There's an 8. I'm sure this is going to be funky because they said this thing hasn't run for 3 years. So, yeah, it's dirty. Let's get the crap out of it. Well, that's going to require more than I can give it. So, what I'm going to do, pull the fuel line off. Okay, we're full.